Welcome to my latest video on the top 9 best family cars with the highest resale value. I know how important it is for families to get the most value for their money, and that's why I've done extensive research to bring you the ultimate ranking of cars that hold their value. In this video, I'll be taking an in-depth look at the cars that will not only provide you with comfort and reliability, but will also give you the best bang for your buck when it's time to sell. So whether you're looking to upgrade or just curious about which cars hold their value, you're in the right place. So sit back and let's dive into the top 9 family cars with the highest resale value. Welcome to my countdown of the 9 best family cars for resale value. We are now at number 9 with the Toyota Camry, which is known for its reliability, affordability, and an impressive resale value. Did you know that the Camry retains 76% of its value after 5 years? That's right, this car has proven to be a great investment for families looking for a reliable and durable sedan. Not only is the Camry known for its impressive resale value, but it also offers a smooth ride, spacious cabin, and a range of safety features. Plus, with its fuel-efficient engine options, you'll be saving money on gas as well. Overall, the Toyota Camry is a top choice for families looking for a reliable sedan that will hold its value over time. Stick around for the rest of my countdown to discover the other family cars that offer great resale value. I've already talked about the impressive Toyota Camry, and now it's time to move on to the 8th place contender, the Hyundai Elantra. The sleek sedan holds 74% of its value after 5 years, making it a great investment for families who are looking to sell down the line. Compared to other cars in its class, the Elantra has a reputation for being reliable and fuel efficient, making it a practical choice for families. But what sets the Elantra apart is its focus on technology and safety features. With a user-friendly infotainment system, standard driver assistance features, and a long list of available upgrades, the Elantra offers a lot of bang for your buck. So, if you're in the market for a family sedan with excellent resale value and top-of-the-line technology, the Hyundai Elantra might just be the perfect fit for you. As I continue this countdown of the best family cars for resale value, I come to number 7, the Honda Accord. This popular sedan has been a favorite among families for decades, and for good reason. Not only is it reliable and practical, but it also holds its value remarkably well. In fact, the Honda Accord has a resale retention rate of 62% after 5 years. To put that into perspective, that's higher than some luxury cars. So, if you're looking for a family car that not only meets your practical needs, but also holds its value, the Honda Accord is definitely worth considering. But how does it stack up against other cars on this list? Well, you'll have to keep watching to find out. We are halfway through this list of the best family cars for resale value, and coming in number 6 is the reliable Toyota Corolla. Now, you may be wondering what's so funny about a Corolla. Well, let me tell you, nothing. It's a car that gets the job done and it does it well. But what is funny is how you often see these things on the road. I mean, it's like Toyota just cloned a million of them. All jokes aside, the Toyota Corolla is a practical and affordable family car that holds its value remarkably well. With a resale value of 63.8% after 5 years, it's a smart choice for anyone looking to save money in the long run. But it's not just about the resale value. The Corolla offers plenty of features that make it a great family car, like a spacious and comfortable cabin, fuel efficiency, and the latest safety features. Plus, with Toyota's reputation for reliability, you can rest easy knowing that your Corolla will be a dependable member of your family for years to come. So, if you're in the market for a family car that's practical, reliable, and affordable, the Toyota Camry is a solid choice. And don't worry, you won't be the only one driving one on the road. Stay tuned for the next car. Now, let's take a look at the 5th car on my list of the best family cars for resale value, the Subaru Impreza. Do you know that Impreza has been around since 1992? That's over 30 years of history and experience in making reliable and high-quality vehicles. and that experience shows in the Impreza's impressive resale value. According to industry experts, the Impreza holds around 59% of its value after 5 years. That's a testament of Subaru's commitment to quality and reliability. But it's not just the resale value that makes the Impreza a great choice for families. It's also one of the safest vehicles in its class, with advanced safety features like eyesight driver assist technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pre-collision braking. So, if you're in the market for a family car that offers both reliability and safety, the Subaru Impreza is definitely worth considering. Now, let's talk about the fourth car on my list of the best family cars for resale value, the Kia K5. This car is one of the newest in the market and it has already gained the reputation of being a great value for money. But the K5 isn't just a pretty face. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged engine that delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. And with advanced safety features like blind spot detection and lane departure warning, you can drive with confidence knowing that you and your family are protected. Kia has come a long way in recent years, and the K5 is a prime example of their commitment to quality and innovation. So if you are looking for a stylish and reliable sedan that will hold its value for years to come, the Kia K5 is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned as I reveal the top 3. Who says you can't have fun and practicality in one package? Certainly not Volkswagen, as proven by their Jetta, which comes in at number 3 on my list of the best family cars for resale value. The Jetta has been a favorite among car enthusiasts for years, and for good reason. It's fun to drive, reliable, and has a great resale value. Plus, it's packed with features that will keep you and the family comfortable and safe on the road. With a spacious interior and an impressive array of tech features, the Jetta is perfect for families on the go. Plus, it's got a great track record when it comes to safety, so you can feel confident that you're getting the best of both worlds. So, if you want a car that's fun, practical, and built to last, look no further than the Volkswagen Jetta. Trust me, your family will thank you. Stay tuned for the next cars. We are moving on to the second car on this list of the best family cars for resale value, the Honda Civic. This car has proven to be a reliable option for families over the years, and it's no surprise that it holds its value well. The Honda Civic has a resale value of 84% after 5 years, making it a great investment for families. The Honda Civic has a sleek exterior design that is both sporty and refined. It's available in sedan and coupe models, making it a versatile option for families of different sizes. The car's interior is spacious, comfortable, with plenty of legroom and headroom for both driver and passengers. The Honda Civic is also known for its fuel efficiency, with an estimated 30 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This can lead to significant savings for families who are looking to save money on gas. But the Honda Civic isn't just practical, it's also fun to drive. The car's handling is nimble and responsive, making it enjoyable to take on winding roads or city streets. The car also has a variety of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. All in all, the Honda Civic is a great option for families who are looking for a car that is reliable, practical, and fun to drive. With a resale value of 84% after 5 years, it's also a smart investment. Stay tuned for the number 1 pick on this list. I finally arrived at the number 1 spot in my ranking of the best family cars for resale value, and it's none other than the Kia Rio. This subcompact car holds an impressive 85% of its value after 5 years, making it a top pick for budget-conscious families. With its fuel efficiency, agile handling, and comfortable ride, the Kia Rio offers great value for money. Not to mention, its sleek and modern design will turn heads on the road. Whether you're commuting to work or running errands around town, the Kia Rio has got you covered. But don't just take my word for it. The numbers speak for themselves, and the Kia Rio has proven time and time again to be a smart investment. So, if you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective family car, the Kia Rio should be at the top of your list. Thank you for watching my ranking of the best family cars for resale value. I hope this video has been informative in your car buying decision making process. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more car rankings. And also, if you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Remember, buying a car is a big investment, and choosing one with high resale value is a smart financial decision. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Aside, the Toyota Corolla is a practical and affordable family car that holds its value remarkably well, with a resale value of 63.8% after